So I was finished school in 2017. I had a mate that worked at Dawson's and a mate that was in the trade a year beforehand. So I was convinced that the trade was good to get into and that Dawson's was a good company to work for. It's a good variety of work, obviously a bit of electrical, refrigeration, a little bit of plumbing. The people that work here are good, it's good management, good mates, good boss. So there's certain different trades in the trade itself. There's commercial, there's domestic, there's refrigeration. The career progression's good. You can do second trades like your sparky, dual trade, stuff like that. So every day, you could be doing something different.